Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is video for the JNM first year student. Health talk on immunization schedule. So first is come identification data, in which name of the student, class, subject, topic, method of teaching, date, time, venue, duration, aviates and evaluator name is come. You will write your own identification data. Then general objectives and specific objectives are the come, in which at the end of the class the group will be able to understand about immunization schedule. Please correct these things. Now specific objectives are come. They all are the introduction, definition, objectives, immunization schedule. Then the main content is come, introduction and the definition of the immunization schedule. Learning activities is the lecture come discussion, aviates is the verbally, and evaluation is what you ask for the patients, objectives what you write in the objective and content, then time in 2 minutes and the 1 minute. आप उतना टाइम लिखिएगा जितना आप ले सकते हैं. Then come page in which the objectives are come. Objective in these are Uddesh, what you explain about the patient. Now in immunization schedule, age, vaccine, dose and route. First given at birth, BCG, OPV, then hepatitis B. At the 6th week, we give pentavalent, in which the 5 vaccines are come: DPT, hepatitis B and Hep, OPV. And then 10 weeks pentavalent and OPV second dose. At the 14 weeks, we give pentavalent third dose. Then 5 to 6 year DPT, 10 year TT, 16 year TT, 20 to 60 month vitamin A dose, which give for the eyes. Common minor vaccine reaction is the local hazards, and hazards for the immunization is local and general reactions, reaction due to faulty techniques, neurological complication, allergic reactions. Now summary and conclusion. Summary is that through this health talk I have explained about the immunization schedule, definition, objectives, immunization schedule and minor vaccine reactions. Bibliography. In next video I will explain about your whole immunization schedule in briefly. Thank you.